Hello student, welcome to DSS online class. I am your English teacher Santosh sir, and today I present with the new video of chapter 1 Honeycomb 3 questions. Dear student, in earlier video we already study about the king decided to know the answer of 3 questions. Therefore, he sent his courtiers to all over the kingdom to find out a person who gave the answer of his 3 questions. And from here we start the lesson. But then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. Means the wise person said that there were some things which is most urgent. These things could not wait for decision of the council, and the urgent things could not wait for the decision of the councils of ministers. In order to decide the right time for doing something is necessary to look into the future. And when we decide the right time to do something, we must also look into the future. मीन्स जब किसी काम को हमको डिसाइड करना होता है सही समय का, तो उसकी फ्यूचर को भी हमें देखना चाहिए. एंड ओनली मैजिशियन कुड डू दैट, एंड ओनली मैजिशियन इज नो अबाउट द फ्यूचर. केवल मैजिशियन ही जो है फ्यूचर के बारे में जानता है कि भविष्य में क्या होने वाला है. देयरफॉर And the king therefore would have to go to the magician, and therefore all the wise person suggested to the king that the king should go to the magician to know the answer of this question. Okay student, I know you understand this paragraph very well. Okay, now from here we start the paragraph. In their answers to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselor. In the answer to the second question, some persons said that the most necessary to the king वेयर हिज काउंसलर्स. कुछ लोगों ने जो है बताया कि जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सन्स राजा के लिए कौन से होते हैं, वे उसके काउंसलर्स होते हैं, जो उसको हमेशा जो है किसी काम को करने में मदद करते हैं, हेल्प करते हैं. अदर सेड द प्रीस्ट, अ फ्यू अदर चूज द डॉक्टर, एंड एट अदर सेड that the soldiers were most important. Dear student, the king, the other person said that the priest is the most important person for the king because he do the religious work, and some of them were said that doctors were most important person for the king, and some others said that the soldiers were most important things because soldiers protect the country or kingdom. कुछ लोगों ने कहा कि प्रीस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट हैं क्योंकि प्रीस्ट जो है रिलीजियस वर्शिप को करते हैं. कुछ लोगों ने कहा कि राजा के लिए डॉक्टर्स इम्पोर्टेंट हैं, बिकॉज डॉक्टर्स जो है इलाज करते हैं लोगों का। एंड कुछ लोग उसमें ऐसे भी थे जो यह कह रहे थे कि सोल्जर्स इम्पोर्टेंट हैं, क्योंकि वे कंट्री को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं। अगर सोल्जर्स ना हो तो कोई दूसरा आदमी जो है कंट्री पे अटैक कर सकता है। सो सम सेड दैट सोल्जर्स वर द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सन फॉर द किंग। नाउ स्टूडेंट, I hope you understand that paragraph, and from here we start the lesson. To the third question, some said science, other choose fighting, and yet other religious worship. In answer to third question, some wise person said that the science is the most important things for the king, and some other said that the fighting is the very important things for the king, and some of them were choose the religious worship is the very important things for the king. कुछ लोगों ने जो थर्ड क्वेश्चंस के आंसर के लिए, कुछ लोगों ने कहा कि साइंस जो है राजा के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट होना चाहिए। कुछ लोगों ने कहा कि नहीं, साइंस नहीं, फाइटिंग, जो युद्ध होता है, दूसरे देशों पे आक्रमण किया जाता है और दूसरे राजाओं को हरा करके और उसका जो है किंगडम अपने में मिला लिया जाता है, तो वो इम्पोर्टेंट है। बट सम अदर सेड दैट द रिलीजियस वर्शिप इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग। कुछ लोगों ने कहा कि जो रिलीजियस वर्शिप है, जो पूजा पाठ है, वह राजा के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट होना चाहिए। As the answer to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. When the king heard the different answer, he was not satisfied, and therefore the king didn't give any reward to anyone. राजा जो है जब इतने डिफरेंट आंसर्स को सुने, कि मैंने जितने भी लोग हैं सबके आंसर डिफरेंट हैं, तो वह सेटिस्फाई नहीं हुए, एंड ही डिडेंट गिव एनीवन टू द रिवॉर्ड। इंस्टेड he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. And after that, the king decided to take advice of the hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. अंत में राजा ने डिसाइड किया कि अब वह किसी वाइज पर्सन के पास नहीं जाएगा, वह सीधे हर्मिट यानी सन्यासी के पास जाएगा, संत के पास जाएगा। बिकॉज द साधु एंड संत वॉज द वाइडली नोन फॉर हिज विजडम, क्योंकि जो सन्यासी लोग होते हैं, जो संत होते हैं, वह ज़्यादा वाइज पर्सन होते हैं। Okay student, I hope you understand well, and from here we start the explanation. The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. He saw no one but simple people, and so the king put on ordinary cloth. Before he reached the hermit hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. Means hermit lived in the forest, and the hermit never left his hut, and therefore he saw only simple people. Therefore the king put off his expensive cloth किंग जो है अपने एक्सपेंसिव क्लॉथ को उतार दिए एंड पुट ऑन ऑर्डिनरी क्लॉथ्स. Therefore he reached the hermit huts, and after that the king reached the hermit huts. The king left his horse and his bodyguard also, and went on alone. Means the king left his bodyguard, his horse, and he put the simple cloth, and then he went to the hermit hut alone. वह अपने ऑर्डिनरी कपड़े पहन लिए राजा, और अपने बॉडीगार्ड को भी छोड़ दिए, अपने घोड़े को भी पीछे छोड़ दिए, और उस सन्यासी के आश्रम में अकेले पहुँचे. As the king came near the hermit huts, he saw the hermit digging in the front of his hut. And when the king went to hermit, he saw that the hermit was digging in front of his hut. जब वह राजा जो थे वह हर्मिट के आश्रम पे गए, वह देखे कि हर्मिट जो है अपने आश्रम के सामने कुछ डिग कर रहे हैं, यानी खुदाई कर रहे हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट. नेक्स्ट, द हर्मिट वॉज ओल्ड एंड वीक, एंड एज ही वर्कed he breathed heavily. The king saw that the hermit was very old and very weak, and he continued his work. वह अपने वर्क को कंटिन्यू करते जा रहे थे. Therefore he breathed heavily. इसलिए जो है वह जल्दी जल्दी सांस ले रहे थे. Okay student, I know you understand well these lines. Hello student. Now from here we continue. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. And the king said that he came here to ask 3 questions. ओके स्टूडेंट. राजा ने जो है हर्मिट से कहा कि वह यहाँ पे इसलिए आया है कि वह 3 प्रश्नों का उत्तर जानना चाहता है. एंड ही आस्क्ड द क्वेश्चंस दैट हाउ कैन आई लर्न टू डू द राइट थिंग एट द राइट टाइम. ही आस्क्ड दैट हाउ कुड I learn to do the right time to right things to right time. कैसे हम जो है सही समय पे सही काम कैसे करते हैं. And who are the people I need most, and who are the people I need most. कौन से ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको हमें ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. And third question is, and what affairs are the most important. And the king also asked the hermit a third question as what affairs are the most important for the king. कि कौन सा काम जो है राजा के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. The hermit listened to the king but didn't speak. Means the king listened to the king but didn't speak any word. He went on digging. You are tired, said the king. And in spite of giving the answer, the hermit went on digging. राजा के प्रश्नों का उत्तर दिए बिना वह जो हर्मिट थे अपना काम जारी रखे. And then the king said that you are tired. राजा ने बोला कि आप बहुत थके हैं. Let me take the spade and work on your place. And the king said that now give me your spade. Dear student, spade means फावड़ा, जो जिससे हम लोग डिगिंग करते हैं उसको स्पेड कहते हैं. So student, the king said that, O hermit, please give me your spade and I do your work. Thanks, said the hermit. The hermit said, thanks, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. Therefore, the hermit gave his spade to the king and he sat on the ground. Means hermit ने राजा को थैंक्स बोला और अपनी स्पेड जो है किंग को दे दिया और hermit जो थे वह जमीन पे बैठ गए. Okay student, here is today the last point I have explained. If any query regarding to the video, then you ask me with the message or call me. I hope you understand all paragraph very well, and on the basis of this video I give you some homework. Okay.